Are you ready? Okay, begin the match in 3, 2, 1, go!
Match 108, a quick jump back from the line out of GP Robotics Unity. Now they're cycling more and more, opening up that gate, pulling artifacts on board, heading back in for the Red Alliance. Blue, meanwhile, shooting from deep with the power of 27202 terminal velocity out of Minnesota. Techineers loading up on artifacts. They return back to that near launch zone, cycling back and forth from the gate back to that launch zone. That's a machine from Illinois churning through these artifacts as Autonomous winds down.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Official count now shows 71-66, a 5-point Red Alliance lead as these robots now get to work, working on bringing in those scoring opportunities. Blue Alliance working quickly in parallel, both taking up the close launch zone. Techineers working alongside terminal velocity to churn through these artifacts and bringing them out into the goal as fast as possible. 99-95, Blue Alliance holding a lead, but the Red Alliance working on building it up higher. GP Robotics Unity flying back in to that near launch zone. 2 artifacts on board, 3 actually, all going up right on and into that goal, bringing the Red Alliance up, but Blue retains a lead with a minute 17 left in play, 120-107. Blue has a lead, but it is tight for now. Techineers returns, chasing down this artifact, loading it up into the goal, but sending it sideways, giving Blue the chance to take back the lead by 9 points. More power off GP Robotics Unity, looking to close that in. Terminal velocity, looking to loading up in their loading zone. They drive right on down to that goal. 1, 2, 3 go up. They all do go wide though. Techineers sending theirs wide as well, but Red Alliance has taken back the lead by 3 points for now. It is narrow and tight. 40 seconds left to go as we keep on cruising. 12-point differential as these teams are still working. Techineers trying to get their shooter lined up. 2 shots going in for Blue, those coming off of terminal velocity. At 25 seconds left to go, we see terminal velocity and Techineers seemingly running in tandem, but seems like terminal velocity may be taking over that scoring opportunity. 15 seconds now. Red Alliance has about a 20-point lead. GP Robotics Unity coming back to cement that with 3 more going up and in. One of those matching the motif, so 11 points right there. Looks like terminal velocity trying to go for a full park. Techineers coming in for a try to partial as time expires in a match 108.
There is Red Alliance with a score of 233 points.